today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Everyone, am I audible to you? Am I audible? Am I audible, everyone? Okay. Chalo, now, kids, we'll sing God's Love together. So you all have to sing along with ma'am. Okay, you all know now how to sing, how to do the actions and all. So come on, start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. Kids, you all have to say with ma'am. Okay. So now, kids, let's talk about the day and the date. Am I audible, everyone? Kindly write in the chat box. Am I clearly audible to you? Okay. So, kids, let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Saturday. What is the day today? Say everyone, today is Saturday and the date is 7th August 2021. 7th August 2021. Okay. So, kids, yes, what's something special update? Something special about the August month. है ना? I had told you कि अगस्त में कुछ स्पेशल हुआ था. What is that? Yes. So we got freedom in August, on 15th August. Freedom, independence. मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि 15th August को every year we used to celebrate Independence Day. So Independence Day is about to come. ठीक है? Yes. उस दिन क्या हुआ था? हमें इंडिपेंडेंस मिली थी. We got freedom. हम लोग आजाद हुए थे. So that's why we are celebrating it every year on 15th of August. Chalo. Now, come on everyone, stand up for the warm-up exercises. Then we'll do our activity. Come on. Everyone, matlab everyone. You all have to stand. Chalo. So, stretch your arms and clap. Clap, 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 clap. Now, wiggle your fingers. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now, fast. Wiggle your fingers fast. Now, keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी कमर पे रखो. And start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Yes. Now, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. थोड़ी देर नीचे झुका हुआ रहना है. Again, Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay. Okay, Unnati. Bas. Now, show your thumbs up and keep it on your shoulders. And now, you have to move your hands forward, 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 forward. Yes. Now, backward, backward, backward. Yes, very good. Nice. Sit down, everyone. Sit down. Okay. Just a minute, kids. So, kids, yes. What is today? What we are going to celebrate today? किसी को पता है? Anyone knows? Yes. Today we are going to celebrate Friendship Day. What we are going to celebrate? Friendship Day. So, what is friendship? जो हम हमारे साथ फ्रेंड के साथ रखते हैं, that is friendship. Friends, you are a special friend. You have to wish happy Friendship Day to with whom you want to play. You want to share your toys. एक ऐसा फ्रेंड जिसके साथ आपको खेलना पसंद है, आपको आपकी चीजें शेयर करना पसंद है ना? You help him or her, you take care of him or her. So that is our best friend, है ना? So this Friendship Day, we are going to make one friendship band for that friend. ठीक है? जैसे आपको पता है बर्थडे पर हम एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट देते हैं. We'll give gift on birthday. So on Friendship Day, we don't give gift. We just tie one friendship band around the wrist of the friend. फ्रेंडशिप डे पर हम क्या करते हैं? गिफ्ट नहीं देते. we tie one band. हम लोग हाथ पर हमारे फ्रेंड के एक फ्रेंडशिप बैंड टाई करते हैं. That is a symbol of friendship. Okay. So today we are celebrating Friendship Day, as Friendship Day comes on first Sunday of the August. But that was a Sunday, so that we are celebrating it today. Okay. So come on, everyone, get your material required for the Friendship Day activity. Not an issue. So you just measure the ribbon after keeping on your wrist. आपको इतना छोड़ देना है. You have to leave that much for tying it. ठीक है? So cut करो इससे ribbon को. Do not cut with your own hand. Okay, ask your mama or cut on the supervision of any elder. Look. Okay. According to the wrist size, you can cut it. Now, get one lady finger and cut the lady finger into halves. ठीक है? आपको लेडी फिंगर लेना है, उसे 2 हाफ में डिवाइड करना है. Now, take any poster color. Take any poster color. You have to dip the lady finger in the color and then give the impressions of it on the ribbon. Ribbon पर आपको उसके impression देना है. Look. If you are not having lady finger, you can use the earbud as well. You can use earbud, or you can use, do the fingerprinting activity. Dip your pointer in the color and make its impression. Come on, look. So in this way, you have to give the impression of lady finger. Yes, yes. I have seen you do your activity. Do not hold their hand. Give them the lady finger and all. Kids, you are preparing for your friend ना? आप अपने friend के लिए बना रहे हो. So who is going to do the activity? Yes, you are going to do. Look, in this way, you have to give the impression of lady finger on the whole ribbon. Look how beautiful it is looking. So you have to do the lady finger painting impression on the whole ribbon. जो आपने ribbon cut करा है उस पूरे ribbon पे आपको करना है. Look. Yash, what are you doing? You are not doing the activity. Not this. Where is the ribbon? Yes, Yash. Afterwards. I have seen that. Okay. Now, after giving the impression of lady finger on the ribbon, now you have to apply some Fevicol on each lady finger and stick stone over there. Okay? You have to apply Fevicol on the middle of each lady finger impression and apply stick stone there. Look. Okay? You have to stick the stone. You can use the colorful stones as well. Come on. So on each lady finger impression, you have to stick the stone. If you are having the stone, small stones, that is also good. Whichever, whatever stones you are having, you use that. Unnati completed. Nice, beta. Good. Okay. So in this way, you have to stick the stones. Look. And Yash, you kindly unmute. You all got the material required, no? List. So, Yash, why you have not arranged the material and everything for making the band? Chalo, so in this way you have to do. You can use any color stone. It is up to you. Come on. So, kids, this band you have to tie on the wrist of your friend. Anaisha, very good, beta. And depending upon the number of your friends, you can make the bands for them. Come on. Bye, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.